Welcome back, coders. Today we're going to be installing Apache Netbeans 19. I like to start by going to the Apache Netbeans GitHub repository. Here you can check if there are any updates. You can also read on the documentation. If you scroll down, you're going to find a link for the netbeans.apache.org website where you can find all the releases. There's a big green button. If you click on it, you're going to find the community installers, which is my preferred way of installing Apache NetBeans. The community installers are created for different operating systems and platforms. So choose your operating system and platform and click on the download button. Wait for the download to complete and click on Open File. That will launch the installer. After the installer is launched, you can accept the license agreement, click Next, 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 and install. The installation process takes a little over 2 minutes, so be patient and grab something to drink. Alright, when it's done, just click Finish to launch Apache NetBeans. And the first thing we're going to do is change the look and feel. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to change the look and feel to mimic other IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA, or maybe you like Sublime. So click on Tools, Options, Appearance, Look and Feel, and there's a list of predefined look and feels, but you can also install external look and feels. When you're prompted, click on Restart IDE to apply your changes. Wait for NetBeans to restart, and after it has restarted, we're going to check if the changes we made are to our liking. So click on Tools, click on Options, click on Fonts and Colors, and you can see the preview how your code is going to look. If you like it, just click OK to dismiss the options window. And now we're going to install plugins by going to Tools, Plugins, Installed Plugins, and I like to activate HTML5, Java Web and Enterprise Edition, Base IDE, Service Registry, and Tools. Click on Activate, click on Activate again. Once the plugins are activated, click Finish, and then click Close. All right, happy coding.